My friends and how we like to wake up in slow motion, think about the things we never.
Review. Today is actually a pretty special episode. We are doing some R&D on tefuawe's gold lens. This guy here is a 1112 optical clarity lens, and it does have that gold reflective type of tint on the outside. On the inside, your view through is pretty much a true color HD type of vision. It's very clear when it's in off mode, and it is about a 2.5 if I recall correctly on the off mode. This particular one is a shade 10. I will say with the gold lens covering on the outside, it has a little bit of a greenish, I want to say greenish tinge to it, but tefuawe has a blue tinge to their already HD true color lens. So that mixture right there kind of gives you like a very nice, almost gold color when you're looking through the actual lens. You'll see when we get the arc shots going, the actual clarity of it is very true color. With just a very light bit of a tint. It's very nice, I've noticed, with like ambient lighting. I don't have any trouble trying to line up in a dark indoor environment, but also outside, I've noticed that the gold on the outside of this lens actually does a very good job at like reflecting some of that glare when I'm working around, like, you know, when you just beveled pipe, for example. It's really shiny when you're trying to line up. Sometimes that light will blind you a little. With that gold glare there, I mean, with the gold, it actually reflects the glare very nicely. Let's jump into some arc shots. Welcome back. Huge shout out to tefuawe for letting me do some testing on this lens. I can't wait till it personally comes out on the market. I want more people to be able to try this lens out. And everyone out there, please leave a comment for the 30-hour review. Tefuawe is making sure, you know, they're hearing your guys' feedback on this.